Hi everyone, I'm welcoming you all to the Backpacker Sri Lanka YouTube channel. After a small break, here we are back again with another amazing hiking destination. When someone thinks about hiking and trekking in Sri Lanka, the first thing comes to mind is Knuckles mountain range. Knuckles range, or the massif, is a collection of 34 main mountain peaks. It provides a huge variety of biodiversity across the three districts in Sri Lanka. When talking about the Knuckles, there are few main entry points to the range: Riverstern, Bambarella, Thangappuwa, Coberts Gap. Kalugala can be recognized as few of the main entry points. Yeah, you're right. Today, we are going to do a beautiful hike in Knuckles mountain range, which is Knuckles 5 Peaks. There are most common two ways to do this trek. First one, easiest one is starting from Bambarella, and the other one is starting trek from the Thangappuwa. You will come across this junction. Right one is not our way, which leads to Thangappuwa. Left one leads to the first peak. After the second peak, you will come across this open area. Probably look like a camping area. You can camp here, but the thing is, there's no any water source located in this area. So better carry enough water if you are planning to camp in this area. First option, Bambarella is the easiest and most common one to do this trek. There are two ways to reach Bambarella as well. Reaching Panvilla is little bit rough when comparing to the Vattikama road due to the road condition. I have provided all the essential details in the video description for your convenience. Further, you can read Backpacker Sri Lanka blog for more details. When talking about the starting point or the trailhead, if you are traveling by your own vehicle, you will be able to reach a little bit closer to the trailhead. And if it is a motorbike, you can reach up until to the trailhead. Villages are very supportive and you can always ask direction from them. First peak itself doesn't provide good view. And the other thing is, if you're planning to do this trek within one day, it's better plan it properly. In the evening, it covers with the mist, so you won't be able to find the way if you are getting late. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe Backpacker Sri Lanka YouTube channel. If you require further details, please use the link in the video description to read Backpacker Sri Lanka blog.